I saw a connection between the 18th century French comedies and Indian cinema. The storylines and the comedy and the farcical elements, and indeed the musical elements. I felt there was a connection. They're all putting on airs, they're all trying to be somebody else. And yet, despite themselves, they're falling in love and doing absolutely ridiculous things. And they're sort of resisting it. They're not even admitting to themselves that they've fallen in love. It's very amusing. We like to sit and watch them all and laugh at them. It's going to be uplifting, absurd, ridiculous, funny, and quite heartwarming.